Hello and welcome to Money Makes and Money Breaks. In today's episode, we will be learning a rule of finance known as the Rule of 72. Let us begin with why the number 72 is used in the first place. 1. Why the number 72? The natural logarithm is a mathematical function that is used to find the logarithm of a number with respect to the mathematical constant e, which is approximately equal to 2.71828. The natural logarithm of a number x is denoted by ln x. The number 2 is not directly related to the natural logarithm, but it is used in the context of the Rule of 72, which is a rule of thumb used in finance to estimate how long it takes for an investment to double in value. The number 72 is derived from the natural logarithm of 2, which is approximately 0.693. The Rule of 72 formula states that the number of years it takes for an investment to double in value is equal to 72 divided by the annual rate of return. Alright, enough about that, this isn't calculus class. 2. Rule of 72. The Rule of 72 is a simple mathematical formula that provides an estimate of the number of years it would take for an investment to double in value, given a fixed annual rate of return. The formula is 72 divided by the annual rate of return equals the number of years to double. For example, if an investment has an annual rate of return of 6%, the Rule of 72 would estimate that it would take approximately 12 years, because 72 divided by 6 equals 12, for the investment to double in value. It's important to note that the Rule of 72 is only an estimate and assumes that the annual rate of return will stay the same. Actual investment returns may fluctuate and may not follow a linear pattern. 3. Various uses for the Rule of 72. The Rule of 72 can be used in various finance settings to estimate how long it will take for an investment to double in value. Here are a few examples. Debt and interest rates. The Rule of 72 can be used to estimate how long it will take for debt to double at a certain interest rate. For example, if you have a credit card debt with an interest rate of 18%, the Rule of 72 would estimate that it would take approximately 4 years, 72 divided by 18, for the debt to double. In inflation, the Rule of 72 can also be used to estimate the impact of inflation on prices. For example, if the inflation rate is 4%, the Rule of 72 would estimate that prices will double in approximately 18 years, because 72 divided by 4 equals 18. Savings. The Rule of 72 can be used to estimate how long it will take for savings to double at a certain interest rate. For example, if you have a savings account with an annual interest rate of 3%, the Rule of 72 would estimate that it would take approximately 24 years, because 72 divided by 3 equals 24, for your savings to double. It's important to remember that the Rule of 72 is just an estimation, and actual results may vary based on the specific investment or scenario. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.